Hi Taurus, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess at the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. It is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave what doesn't. In case there's something that doesn't resonate with you, come back again because I keep posting a lot of readings. So check out the other readings that I post, okay? And if there are other signs that you want to check out, like other placements in your natal chart, feel free to do that as well. Let's get started, Taurus. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. In your past, Taurus, I see that you guys have been working towards a future, waiting for something to manifest in your life. You're very patient, Taurus. You're also dealing with a lot of heartbreak. You dealt with it actually, and you were just patiently waiting for things to just settle down and the pain to subside or just go away and fully heal. You wanted to fully recover, and that has taken a little while to happen because you are a sensitive sign, Taurus, and when you get hurt really badly. So, yeah. Number three is an important number. I'm sorry, my camera is focusing a little. So, if you want to just keep the phone aside, you can, or wherever you are, listening or watching my video. My camera is acting funny today, it's not focusing. You've got the Chariot reverse. In the present, this is the case. You're feeling stagnated. You feel as if there's no movement in your life. Even when it is emotional, you're like, I want to just get over this person because I know this person doesn't think about me. So why the hell am I? Taurus, you are thinking about this person and suffering because it's a part of your karma. And they were just a medium. So just know that, because I know that it's going to help you with your suffering. You're going to feel more at peace when you detach yourself and look everything as if you're watching a movie. Like look at everything as a witness. So that's happening. You're feeling stagnated. A Cancer person could be important to you, or you could have Cancer in some important position in your natal chart. What's coming in for the future for Taurus? The Lover's card. Number 6 is important. The Chariot is the 7th card in the deck, and number 7 is important. Number 10 is important, 16 is important, 26 is important. Okay. With the Lovers over here, you could be attracting a Sagittarius person and a Gemini person, or either of them. But Taurus, whatever it is, you know the meaning of the Lover's card. Union, divine union, guys. It's on the horizon and it's in the near future. This person could be into fitness, into spirituality. This person could be guided by the angels. They could be a psychic, a healer. An additional card for you. You've got the Temperance card. No matter what the person is like or whatever the relationship is like, it's going to bring in balance. Now, what I mean by what the relationship is going to be like doesn't matter. It means as if, I don't mean like it's going to be toxic, because you've got the Temperance card here, which means it's got a lot of balance, and something that's toxic will never balance your life out, right? So what I meant is that it can be overly passionate, or it can be overly understanding, or a mix of everything. That kind of a relationship. But it all depends on both of you as partners. You could be attracting a Sagittarius, as I mentioned. Now I will be drawing out clarifiers to get additional clarity on your situation. So for the past situation, okay, the Strength card wanted to fall. So You needed mental stability, you needed authority of your life, you needed, Taurus, you felt as if everything that is happening in your life has more control on your on the way your life goes on more than you do. Okay, that happens when you are not strong enough to deal with problems, and it's okay. It doesn't mean that you are a weak person. It's just that you're a giving person, you're affectionate, and certain people don't deserve it. So that is where you were feeling a little impatient, that where is my strength, where is uh, the Taurus that can deal with all this bullshit. See, you've got the chariot reverse and now the chariot upright. Movement is coming, slowly, gradually, but surely. Movement is coming, and you know, you are definitely attracting a Cancer person. It could be a doctor, as I mentioned, a healer, or a doctor, or somebody who's in the psychic arts. But whoever it is, Taurus, you could be meeting them on a journey, or on, you could be relocating to a place, or moving on to new cities, or residential area, or a country altogether. Whatever it is, whatever the case is, this relationship is one of its kind and the most beautiful one, Taurus. Okay. You've got the Knight of Pentacles, and at the additional message, you've got the Four of Swords. Things are moving in your favor. Another Taurus, Capricorn, or a Virgo person could be interested in you. But what I'm seeing here is that somebody is coming towards you with a lot of determination, with a lot of passion, Taurus. And they're coming towards you to put you at rest. You know, the place where you just relieve a sigh, like, okay, finally I've reached my destination. Finally, I found my partner. Finally, I'm home. Taurus. That is the situation that is coming towards you. This is definitely a love reading. And while I was shuffling the first deck, I kept getting, it's going to be a love reading. And I didn't say anything because I wanted to see it for myself. It's definitely true. It's a love reading. And I'm so glad that I did it. We've got the Four of Cups. Regret. Five of Cups. Sorry. Looking at things that did not work out. If three things did not work out, there are still two things that are working out absolutely amazingly. That was in the past. Well, you are moving on. You have moved on to quite a you made a lot of effort to move on, guys, and it's a journey. Okay, it doesn't happen in a day, it doesn't happen in an hour, it doesn't happen in a month. It's a journey. Some days you might feel as if you've gotten over somebody completely. The very next day you might question yourself and see if you can give them another chance. The third day you'll feel angry. The fourth day you'll feel horribly sad because they ill treated you and uh, made you feel worthless. And the fifth day, you might feel as if you're numb towards this. But it's a cycle. It doesn't end until it ends. Okay? You've got the death card. Exactly. Rebirth, reconciling with your own self, rejuvenating. It's a fresh start. Let the dead from the past be in the past and just move. You've got the Knight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Knight of Swords. You could be attracting a Gemini, Aquarius, or a Libra person. But I'm seeing that there could be two people who are attracted to you, or you could be attracted to two people yourself. But whatever it is, Taurus, it's like coming back home. You'll have a choice, but it'll be an easy choice. Like, it'll be like, yeah, I knew. There is no question about it. Seven of Cups. See this. The Wheel of Fortune under this deck and the World in this. Things are turning in your favor, Taurus. Things are turning in the direction of every beautiful thing that you deserve, be it a partner, a life, a career, um, education, anything. It's all turning in your favor. All you need to do is have faith. Let's see some extra messages. These are oracle cards, additional messages to your tarot. Look for a sign. I feel like drawing another card from this deck. Get more information. This could be about anything. The answer is yes. I'm so happy. Get more information about anything that you're investing in. Your time, your money, your energy, anything. Because if something is going to consume your energy rather than contribute to it, it doesn't make sense. A new earth, it is happening. Keep holding the vision, Taurus. I told you, just have faith. And you've patiently waited for so long. Warrior woman, have you answered your deepest calling? You can only answer your deepest calling when you're silent, when you are with yourself, when you're meditating. Because when you're around people, you're listening to them and not yourself. Hold your vision, hold your vision. Your commitment is being tested. Surrender to the divine. Can you see the colors over here? Dark blue, mauve, violet, white. Meditate and contemplate. Pisces is important over here. A personal issue reaches resolution. Cancer is important. Cancers come so many times in your reading. Twice in the form of the Chariot card. Let's see an affirmation for Taurus. I can do less and attract more, but with faith. The universe has big plans for me and it's time to claim them. The universe has big plans for me and it's time to claim them. Isn't this beautiful? Taurus, this was all for you. Thank you so much for giving the Pixie Goddess Tarot a chance to serve you. If you like this reading, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, share this reading with someone who you feel can benefit from this. And if you already haven't, please subscribe to the Pixie Goddess Tarot. It really means the world to me. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.